Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are the paintings by one of the professional artists Jayant, and this is an acrylic painting, and after this video you will be seeing sketching by pen and ink and then coloring watercolors. As these paintings are all very beautiful, I thought of sharing with everyone. He is from Art Connect group. I thank the artist for sharing such a beautiful work. Those interested in learning professional art courses can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in the description or in about in my channel. There are basic and advanced courses online offline starting from 1000 onwards. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.